If you're not going home to sleep, you're cooking ramen at someone else's place.
Hello, this is Joe Yoseo. Hello, where are you going?
Stay still. What's with your hair?
Of course I'm staying still. Do you think I'd move? Who are you? Ah, seriously, are we going somewhere together today, Mom?
Where are you taking me, Mom?
An unmanned ramen cafe.
An unmanned ramen cafe? There's such a thing as an unmanned ramen cafe? What's that? It literally means there are no staff.
You have the freedom to do as you please, like a mom without oversight. That's the reality of the situation. So since you didn't believe me, I found out there's an unmanned ramen cafe in Unjong that sells both ramen and coffee. Since I'm nearby, I wanted you to try this unmanned ramen cafe with me today, Mom. It'll be a new experience for you. Where are we going? Just go this way. Why are you fussing about eating? Why 1,001, 1,001? This person... You only got 2 despite the 2,001 I gave you? Aren't you sharing any with me?
I'll give it to you if I win first place. You can win first place? Okay, come on, I don't care anymore.
Alright, let's go. There are a lot of stores here.
Hey, don't go too far. We could just open a store somewhere like this.
Mom, give me some money. I'll open my own store. If you give me money, I'll open a store.
Why would I use my own money? I'll open a store with your money, Mom.
You have to give me the money, Mom. Found you, Mom. Mom, hurry. Buy me ramen. Buy me ramen. I'm hungry. It's 24 hours, Mom. It's 24 hours, but there's no one here, of course. Okay, Mom will serve you. Here, Mom is the owner.
Closed-circuit television is monitoring. There are no blind spots that aren't being recorded. Money. No leniency for theft or business disruption. No settlements. Full compensation for any mistakes.
Let's go. Let's have some ramen. Oh, there's coffee. Mom should pay. Mom, try it. Mom says she hasn't done it before, Mom.
Mom, I want a green tea latte.
There's coffee too, but Mom, you should order ramen first. How do you do this ramen?
Mom, this one.
That's coffee? No, this is coffee for ramen. There's an order to it.
Ramen soup, toppings, cooking. After you put the noodles, soup, and toppings into this ramen, while saying that like this, I do it. Can I take off some clothes while doing this?
Take them off. This is Mom's restaurant.
Oh, really? This is the owner of my restaurant. Right now, the owner of my restaurant. Should we sit here? Sit here? Which one are you going to eat, Hye-young? Which one do you want to eat?
Me? I'll have that green tea latte and Shin Ramyeon.
Let's just order one Shin Ramyeon then. We'll have that and we're going to have coffee too. If that's too spicy, then this one, Jin Ramyeon, the mild one.
If you're a man, eat the Namja Ramyeon. We women already ate it. Where is it now?
Opening the ramen.
Opening it, adding a pot is an extra 1,001. Yeah, I guess if you have that pot, it's 1,001.
Yeah, okay, it's fine. Mom, you need to tidy up everything here.
Oh, do it like this in the water. Okay, just plug it in for now. Mom, you need to look up there.
If you press the start button, it says hot water will come out in a set amount and then start heating. Mom, okay, should I press the hot water button? The start button, start.
Does it really work or not? We don't know because we've never tried it either.
If you don't want to eat food that Mom burns, she says you have to do it in order. That's interesting.
Can you use a bowl on an induction stove?
Yeah, they say paper can become a bowl.
The bowl doesn't burn.
It doesn't burn. It's boiling now, and you stirred it underneath when it started. Mom, try adding a little seasoning. Why are you cooking ramen at someone else's house? If you're not sleeping over at someone else's house, you're cooking ramen at someone else's house. And sometimes the owner isn't even there. I wish I had that ramen machine at home so I wouldn't have to do all that.
Oh my goodness, seriously. And when it feels comfortable again, I live even more comfortably with the gas and everything. I could just boil it on the stove. I thought it would be nice to have this too. You're never satisfied, are you?
It's convenient, Mom. There's kimchi, Mom. It's right here.
There's green onion and eggs too.
Shouldn't we leave some of it, Mom?
It'll stop right on time, Mom. What happens if I add this? It gets added, right? The money gets added. Things like this don't get added, but I guess things like this do. Shouldn't we pay for things like eggs and stuff like this first, Mom? We need to check out.
How do I check out? Add it.
To pay, as soon as you start, please insert your card. Would you like a receipt? Yes, thank you.
You need to pay first. Over there, you start by cooking the ramen. Let's eat this, Mom. Let's buy this. What's the big deal? Which one should we eat?
Green tea.
This one. I want two. One more. There's a sweet potato. The sweet potato is cold.
How am I supposed to take it out? You know, I'm sleeping.
It's working, but you're trying to take it out. Hey, the ramen is boiling. Shouldn't you bring everything over?
Oh, it comes out here. Oh, it's a whole new world. What an experience. I got it out. Here comes another one.
So busy. Mom is busy serving and entertaining her daughters. You need to have straws, right? In the cups next to you. My mom's new world experience. Since everything is automatic like this, you don't need people.
In the future, there won't be any cleaning staff or people like that, right? It's out. It's for my second daughter.
I guess it's Mom's turn now. So where do you do this?
Where is the owner? Maybe the owner is watching through the closed circuit television. They're watching me. This is mine, right?
Okay, now let's eat. Let's eat.
There are places like this too. Seriously, even the owner isn't here. Let's try it. Just taste this.
Mom, 2,501 is cheap.
Is there no coffee to drink here, only tea? They have coffee too, so you can come here. Then I can just drink coffee.
They've kept it really neat.
Everywhere you go, it's kept neat. Eat this.
Let's go to the South American Cultural Center together later, Mom. I bought the lottery ticket with my own money, so why did you two split it? I don't get any. I was gonna keep it all for myself. You're so sneaky.
Mom, why do you buy lottery tickets every week? I buy them hoping I'll win the lottery. But even if I don't win, it's okay. Even if I don't win, as long as I do good things. If I donate the lottery, then all that money gets donated and it just goes here. So it's to do something good and also for my own good. That's why I buy it.
Mom, so I bought a lottery ticket with my own money today, and the draw is tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the draw. If I win, what are you going to do? How much will you give me? If I win, I'll give you a lot. How much? No, you have to decide on a specific amount. Do you know how much you'll get? No, I'll give you a big percentage. A lot. Out of the amount I get, how much? Like this.
How do you know how much you'll get out of the amount you receive?
Oh, and I'll never say what percentage of the amount I get. Mom, why won't you tell me?
If you have a lot, you give a lot. If you have nothing, you get nothing, but that's not a rule. So if you have 400 million to 1 billion won, how much would you give? 1 billion won? I'll give you 30%, 300 million. Mom, you're being very generous.
This is really delicious. And here, this cup pairs nicely with the tea. How much is it? I like it too. The cup is spacious and holds a lot, yet the price is affordable. Ramen just tastes like ramen, really. It was a fascinating experience.
Mom's house is just amazing. Without Mom's home-cooked meals, we may do here without rice, but it's still delicious, this. What did you put in it?
It's a 5-grain latte, and this one is a green tea latte. They're very good.
But what's amazing is how does that machine know and do it just right like that? The artificial intelligence is just so perfect. The machine, I kind of want to buy one for home. But I guess you have to put all the ingredients in yourself, right? That's really fascinating.
I just loved what she was saying earlier.
It was so funny at home. When you want to cook ramen without letting it get soggy. The noodles cook quickly on the stove. They boil quickly, but still, I wish I could just eat comfortably and stay at home. I'm doing it.
I'm searching for it. It's 600,000 won. If you cook ramen, it's 600,000 won. That machine is 600,000 won. No, it's not a ramen cooking machine. The ramen cooking machine, just one of those, is 600,000 won.
Oh, it's fine. It's just for convenience, to make things even more convenient. Oh my, really, a lot of people have it at home. I wasn't the only one who thought that. Yeah, a lot of people have it.
Kang Hee-doni and Jeoni said the same thing after seeing it. Jeoni is really funny. This costs 370,000 won, and there's a smaller one available. They sell ramen like this.
Oh, I see. Even though it's comfortable, make it even more comfortable.
Comfortable.
Oh, wow, there are still so many things I don't know. How much do I have to travel around to really know all of Korea?